In this video, I will show you how to reset the email template back to its default settings in Shopify. To show you an example, here's the order confirmation email which I sent from my store. As you can see, it's missing the store logo, the list of products under the order summary, as well as the customer shipping information. In order to restore the default template, we have to log into Shopify admin account, then select settings, and then locate notifications right here. Now click on the customer notifications. On this page, look for the template you're having issues with, as in my case is this one, order confirmation. Let's click on it. Once the template loads, at the very top, click on edit code. Just before resetting the template, let's save the backup copy of the email subject and email body. Let me copy the subject and paste it in text document on the local computer. And also do the same thing for the email body. For that, just simply place the cursor in the email body, press Ctrl-A to highlight all the code, Ctrl-C for copy, and then let's open another text document and let's paste it right here. Now let's go back and at the bottom look for this option, revert to default. Let's click on it. You'll be presented with the confirmation message. Just simply click revert changes. Perfect, so the template was just reset. Now let's go back. Now let's try sending the test email. Let me go to my email account and here's the email. Let's open it, and that's what the default order confirmation template should look like. It has the logo, the order summary, and the customer information section. So that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If more Shopify tutorials, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.